To download Trust Wallet on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is the official app store for Android, where you can find and download a wide range of applications, including cryptocurrency wallets like Trust Wallet. Once you have opened the Google Play Store, type Trust Wallet in the search bar at the top of the screen. This will bring up a list of search results, and you should see the official Trust Wallet app as the first result. Make sure to select the app developed by Trust Wallet, as there may be other apps with similar names. After selecting the correct app, click the Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to review the permissions required by the app before you can proceed. Take a moment to review these permissions to ensure you are comfortable with the information the app will have access to. Once you have reviewed the permissions, click the Accept button to continue with the installation. The download and installation process should only take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection speed. After the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Trust Wallet app. You will then be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to Trust Wallet, select the option to create a new wallet and follow the in-app instructions to set up your account. It is essential to keep your wallet secure by setting a strong password and enabling any additional security features offered by the app. You should also make sure to back up your wallet and keep your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. By following these steps, you can easily download and install Trust Wallet on your Android device. Remember to always prioritize security when using a cryptocurrency wallet, and take the necessary precautions to protect your assets. With Trust Wallet, you can safely store, send, and receive a variety of cryptocurrencies, making it a valuable tool for anyone involved in the world of cryptocurrency.